Scon Design is the best land surveyor in Hubli-Bidar if you're searching for one. Scon Design is the company to turn to for all your land surveying needs because to its years of experience and staff of highly qualified experts. They have a diverse range of specialties, including construction staking, topographic surveys, and boundary surveys. Scon Design's dedication to using the most up-to-date tools and technology sets them apart from other land surveyors in the region. They keep up with the most recent developments in the field so they can consistently give their clients precise and dependable results. Scon Design aims to make the land surveying process as simple and stress-free for their clients because they recognize how difficult and time-consuming it can be. They are committed to fulfilling deadlines and provide competitive prices, open communication throughout the entire project, and all three. Overall, Scon Design is the obvious pick if you're looking for the top land surveyor in Hubli-Bidar. For any